Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2023. It is used, but it still smells absolutely brand new. Lakota Charger, 8315 is a short wall, 15-foot short wall, 8 wide, 3 horse. This trailer is a platinum edition, and what that means is the dealer that sold this trailer put extra options on this trailer. I'll try my best to point them out. I am not a Lakota dealer, but I sell a lot of used Lakotas. Now this one is like brand new. Still smells new. The rubber in the back still smells new. So customers had a life change. It happens. We're horse people. So a couple of things I'll walk around and point out to you. Stainless nose. It is 8 wide. I think I may have said that. I'm not sure. Lockable battery box. 2 hydraulic jacks. 2 propane tanks. It's white, obviously, in color with graphics. It does have the slide with the fridge in it, so it gives you extra floor space. This is the dual aisle layout. I just sold a Merhow, lightly used 2017 Merhow in this layout. This also has the hickory color interior, which I personally prefer. So it does have an escape door, drop windows with bars. It does have 2 mangers. It does have the flip up step at the escape door, load light package, so load lights all the way around. It does have a 10-gallon hot water heater. I believe that is one of those upgrades for platinum. It does have aluminum wheels. It does have a blanket bar, brush box, and saddle rack. It doesn't even seem like the horses have been in this trailer. So it does have the drop windows on the rear, which are open right now. It does have 3 fans, LED lights on the inside. Again, this is like a brand new trailer. It smells brand new. I cannot fault it for anything, nothing. And it is a 2023. So fully lined and insulated, lower divider, padding on the divider. Does have the mangers. Rear back bumper. So this trailer does have the 3 drop windows on the rear with no bars or anything, just open. Does have a big power awning with the LED light strip on it as well. The interior in this is really pretty. So it is the hickory color. Flip up step at the LQ. Okay, I just came through that walkthrough, or the door to the LQ, and it has a pocket screen door. So pocket screen door, it is the bigger slide with the big fridge in the slide box. That couch does make a bed. This is a dual aisle. So backing back up, it has the 2 steps up to the bed with the center console and a TV. The mattress in this trailer is brand new. It was over $800. The customer said leave it in here. So it does have a brand new $800 nice mattress. I don't know if you know about the mattresses they put in these LQs, any new LQ, they're really not great. So it does have a TV up here in the bed area. So it's got 2 TVs. So spinning around, it does have the bar. That is a cabinet above, so rear kitchen, bar style. Again, this trailer smells new. If you don't want to spend full price on a brand new one, here's you a very lightly used one for less money. So, all right, so rear kitchen. It does have a 3-burner gas top stove. That is not an oven. 3-burner gas top stove. Microwave. 2 stainless sinks. Again, big fridge here. This ducted AC propane furnace. This has the bathroom with the wardrobe, I call it. It gives you the drawers and the extra storage space. It's got the corner shower, octagon style shower. And that's here in the corner. Walk through door. Oops. I have a bottle in my pocket. That's what that crunching noise was. So yeah, bottle in my back pocket. All right, so sink and vanity. Pocket bathroom door. It has a fantastic fan as well. So a lot of bells and whistles. Again, I'm not 100% sure on the platinum, but I've kind of pointed out a few. Real open, airy, bright. Super bright trailer. A lot of floor space. If you've got dogs, kids, you could put a pack and play in the floor in here. It's huge. I mean, when I say that, that's how big the floor space is in here. Dog beds, you name it. You haul multiple animals and kids, small kids. I mean, you've got the one couch, but you could put a blow-up mattress in the floor and still be able to get out of the bed area from the nose. So 8315 dual aisle, which is kind of a sought-after layout right now. Dual aisle, pocket screen door. Got some nice cabinets here above as well. Platinum edition Charger, Lakota Charger. 2023 3-horse, like new condition. Pretty much is new, it's just titled. So like new condition. Need a trailer for the end of the year write-offs. Need one to get started for next year. Actually, if you need to go a couple places this coming holiday season, this is a great trailer. 8315 Lakota Charger, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks a lot, guys.